All right, WMC, this is a video to find our two mini winners for my Melvin Gordon or Joe Thomas autograph pick one. So we'll check the time, March 12th at 11:52 a.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have March 12th at 11:52 a.m. I just want to make sure we're doing two spots here. Yep, two spots. All right. So these are our 8 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ken and Justin. So Ken, you will get first pick of 3 spots in the main. And then, Justin, you will get the remaining spot in the main. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 12th, 11:52 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.